Hello, I'm in a 2014 Nissan Versa Note, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on your lights as well as your brights and turn them off. So first, you want the vehicle turned on, which currently it is, and then everything's done with this stick. So this twist, right now it's off. It's got your parking lights, your running lights that is, and then your normal lights, your normal headlights, and then to turn on the brights, you push forward. And to turn off, you pull back. So, and you can see on the dash too, it'll indicate what's on. So as you twist, it's a little bit light, but right there you can see they're on. And if your brights are on, you'll see this. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. And make sure you have these turned off when you're done driving too, so you don't kill your battery. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.